Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to VWO for experimentation and CRO step by step clearly. To get started with VWO, begin by visiting the official VWO website. On the homepage, look for the sign up button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign up button to be directed to the registration page. Fill out the required fields, including your name, email address, and password. Make sure to read the terms of service and privacy policy before proceeding. Once you've filled in your details, click on the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from VWO. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Return to the VWO website and log in using your newly created credentials. After logging in, you will be taken to the VWO dashboard. Explore the user interface to familiarize yourself with the available tools. To start an experiment, click on the Create Experiment button. Select the type of experiment you want to conduct, such as A/B testing or multivariate testing. Follow the prompts to set up your experiment parameters, including target audience and goals. Once finished, click on Start Experiment to launch your test. Monitor the results in real time using the analytics tools provided. After your experiment concludes, analyze the data to draw meaningful insights. Utilize these insights to improve your conversion rate optimization efforts. Explore additional features and integrations offered by VWO to enhance your experimentation capabilities. Save your work regularly to ensure you do not lose any progress. This completes your subscription process and initial setup for using VWO for experimentation and CRO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.